look who's here. Welcome back, everyone. As you can see, this car is already here, and today I'm going to be started working on it. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time. Finally, it's here. Today I'm going to be trying to open the valve cover and see what's going on inside it, why it's making noise, because the noise is coming right from the top of the engine. If you're joining me for the first time, I can link some videos over here of how I got the car, what the issues with it, so we can catch up on that, and then we can come back and finish this video, because today we're going to be starting disassembling the engine, the most exciting thing I've ever done, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Hopefully this is going to be an easy job. If not, I will have to disassemble the whole half of the engine and replace the heads, which I'm okay doing, but I'm not really a fan of doing. So let me set up the camera, put some lights on, so we'll have a better visual, because, you know, I got this garage and there is no light. What are you gonna do about it? As long as I can work on my cars, I'm happy. So yeah, I have a bunch of LED lights that will make this easier. And I also need to lift this car off the ground because I need to. Hey, let's catch up in a moment. Okay. So, first thing first, I need to take the negative cable off the battery, and then start removing those things and put the wiring of that aside, so it will not be on the way when I need to get to the back of the Okay, so I have removed the cover, and let's look at all of this. This is horrible. It looks I don't know how to even describe it, but it's definitely not the way it's supposed to look. So I'm going to soak it in gasoline and brush it. Hopefully it will clean things up. If we look over here, I don't really see much. All looks to be normal. The valves look to be okay, but these things, they have to be soft, I think. So the exhaust, I don't think is sticking, but the top is sticking. I don't see any gaps in them, so I don't know. I'll try to align it. So those two dots are supposed to be on the top. If they're on the top, that means that the whole thing is aligned. And the chain, oh, the chain is loose. That is not how it's supposed to be, so maybe, well, that is very loose. It got to go, so I need to replace the chain then. And that means I have to disassemble this whole part. And I was hoping that someone already was working on this engine before, because the cylinder heads look so clean. I will try to put the images of them right now. Alright, let's take this whole crap out and soak it in fuel. Maybe we can clean those things up. Let's see what happens. So I'm starting to disassemble this part, the intake, because, well, it looks like I need to replace the chain now because it's very loose and I'm not sure of the lifetime of it and it was last removed. So it has to be disassembled. The area in front of it, of course, because I need to get to the front of the engine so I can take all of those plates out and oh, this is interesting. Yeah, and then I can replace the chain. It's gonna be a pain, and then I need to align the engine to put it in a top. Damn it! I need to align the engine to put it in the top dead center, and hopefully that will help me fix the issue. I'm not really sure if I should remove or replace those because I definitely think the valves are bad. Because one spot it's smoother than the others, but it's still, in some places it looks scratched a little bit. So maybe it's good to replace the camshafts. I'm not really sure. But definitely I need to remove both of them and replace all valves and replace the chain. So this is going to be a fun project, and I need to later drain the oil and the coolant and everything else. For now I'm just going to disassemble everything from here. Okay, the air is looking dirty, so I already have a new filter, so that's okay. I'll get the new one inside. Now I need to take this thing out, and it looks like there is a lot of dust inside. I'm not really sure what's that about, but yeah, we have what we have. discovered something very interesting. So I will be pumping over here the engine. We're just gonna turn it over a few times, and we pay attention to this chain, what's happening. Sorry. I'm not sure what the heck is going on, but I'm sure I'm gonna need to take the head off, I guess. That's my guess, I guess. The head will have to come out. For now, I just need to take, well, everything out of the front. Completely everything out of here. And I've never done this before. This is awesome. Scary, but awesome. So, who cares? Maybe I'll drain the coolant now, because I have enough access. Then I need to find a top dead center. For now, from the top, I know that these two pieces, they have to be facing up, with the two dots up. Then I have a tool that my friend 3D printed, and I can place it there. And I have a pin that's supposed to go on the back into the flywheel. So let's see what's going on. This is gonna be exciting. I've never done this, and I'm sure I'm never going to do it, but I just wanted to try it this time. This one more time. Okay. Alright, I guess I'm gonna be I will be draining the coolant without you, so because I don't need to see it. People have done it before, you know. And I'll pick up the next time when I know more about this engine. It will be interesting. And I'm curious as hell. Disassembling an engine. Well, I removed an engine from the Boxster. Now it's the time to fix an engine from BMW. And I was reading, I have the manual, it's not that hard. Hopefully the manual is correct. Yes, I have no idea. All I know is I found myself in a horrible situation, but I need to deal with it. And I'll be fine, it's okay. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short episode. I'm guessing it's short, I have no idea, I haven't edited yet. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying on the channel. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because this journey is going to be fun. I can promise you that. I already have no idea what I'm doing, but it looks to be fun. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Good night.